Hey guys, and welcome to The Real Road. Today I am at Surviving Actors again. I am back. Hello guys. Behind me is the event setting up. I'm in here a little bit earlier because once again I am doing the social media takeover for the whole of the Surviving Actors event. So that's their Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to 6 different talks and workshops today. It's going to be absolutely manic. There is no time, none for lunch. So there's a bag of crisps and some granola in my bag if I get time. Fingers crossed, because I'm going straight from there to work afterwards. Really looking forward to the event. It's always been a lot of fun in previous years and I'm excited to attend. We'll keep you guys posted on what's going on and give some tips and tricks or anything I learn. The doors are open. The doors are actually open on Surviving Actors 2020. There are people, many people behind me, and there was a massive queue of people coming in and they all immediately beeline straight over here to the Meals for Monologues sign up. This is a very, very cool thing. So for those of you that don't know, Meals for Monologues is something that Surviving Actors themselves started, which is so, so cool and like helpful to actors and other people. Basically, you get 3 minutes to go and perform a monologue to a panel of casting directors and agents, people that you not necessarily would normally get to be in front of unless you were called into audition. So it's an amazing opportunity to be seen by these people. There is literally one catch to being able to get in there. Firstly, you've got to get in and sign up, but that's just first come, first served. But the main catch is that in order to do it, you have to bring a meal to do your monologue. So what does that mean? Okay, that basically means that you have to donate something that would be able to be sent to a food bank. So the entire point of it is to help other people. And in that process, you know, you get the chance to do some performing, which is really cool. So let's have a look at what's going on behind me. We have the entrance booth where you've got your guides. I've got mine. As you come in, you've got stands. That was where the sign-ups were. Got my slot later, very excited. We have lots and lots of stands in here today. A lot of them will have competitions and they will also have things going on. My friend Alex.
Right, I'm like, hang on, how is this my first video game job? Working with these people has been a career goal.
He's too busy talking to wave at me now, but he waved at my live videos that I did for the Surviving Actors Takeover on their Twitter and Instagram, so he's forgiven. Vaughn is really cool. It's the voiceover network. They do a lot of things to help people out for that kind of stuff. Carrying on into the room, we have liquid refreshments. We have cloakroom, which is useful. And we have a massive, massive queue in the middle, which I can only imagine is sort of for the one-to-one sign-ups. Heading further in, so basically there is so much going on here at Surviving Actors today. If you're not come down this time, they run it every year in London, usually in February time. So just keep an eye on their website. Tickets to get in are free, and then it's only £7 for workshops and seminars. I'm going to 6 today. I will not have time to eat. I think I might have said that in the intro, but I don't know. I'm going to say it again because it's crazy. So I'm going to go and see some of the stalls now. So I'll see you in a bit. Busy now. As you can see behind me, there are actors and people absolutely everywhere. I've been to 4 seminars so far today. They've been really, really good. I've had so much good and useful advice. I'm going to do a second video so that everybody can like kind of share some of the advice that I've learned. So I won't be able to fit it in this one, but I will do a second video. So my next one after this will be all of the advice and things that I've learned and tips and tricks and things that I'll give to you guys from this event. I am now going in to do Meals for Monologues to do my audition, fingers crossed. And then after that I've got 2 more seminars, including the highly popular sold out one with Katrina Dickey, who is the associate of Nina Gold Casting, who's pretty much the biggest casting director on the planet right now. So that's very, very exciting. Yeah, audition time now. See you on the other side. all of my seminars, workshops, auditions and crazy things for the day today. It's been absolutely amazing. I had so much fun. I want to say a massive thank you to Surviving Actors for inviting me along to do their social media takeover. I've had a lot of fun. I think my brain might turn to mush tomorrow though from the severe level of multitasking that I have had to do to get through this. Normally I have help, but today it's literally just been me. So yeah, very, very exciting. So yeah, thank you Surviving Actors for having me again. It's been wonderful. Your event rocks. It's so much advice, so much like knowledge and sharing, and it's just really nice to hang out with other actors and people in the industry. Do check out my next video, which will be out in a week's time, where I will be sharing advice, tips and tricks and things that I have learned from the session that anyone who wasn't able to attend might be able to benefit from.